Hi guys, my name is Maria and I work at Big Apple School. Do you remember that a couple of years ago we had a video on the past perfect tense? And then some of you asked us to do the same video on the past perfect continuous tense. So, we heard you, and today we are going to explain to you how to use this tense in more detail. Let's get started. Well, imagine, yesterday in the morning you woke up and looked out of the window. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, but you saw some fresh snow on the ground and on the cars, because it had been snowing before. So, this structure, had been snowing, is an example of the past perfect continuous that we use to speak about actions that happened before another action in the past. Let's get a closer look at how we use this tense. There are several common ways to use the past perfect continuous. Main reason why we use it is because we want to show that the action first started in the past, then continued in the past for some period of time, and last finished also in the past. For example, James had been working as a university teacher for a year before he left for Asia. This sentence shows that James started to work as a teacher sometime in the past. Then he stopped working as a teacher and he left for Asia. All these three events happened in the past. Also, importantly, this sentence shows that now James doesn't work as a teacher. As the past perfect continuous refers to events that already finished, we often use such words as before, when, until, and since to indicate which event caused them to stop. Also, we may want to use the past perfect continuous to speak about cause and effect of some action, and in this case, we will want to use the word because. For example, Sam gained some weight because he had been overeating. How to form past perfect continuous? Well, that's pretty simple. If you want to make a past perfect continuous sentence, what you need is to use two words, had and been, plus a main verb with an ing ending. For example, my son had been begging to buy him a guitar for many months until I finally was able to get him one. If you need to make a negative sentence, you just put the word not between had and been, or you can also use a contraction, hadn't been. For example, my students failed the test because they hadn't been practicing properly before. Well, that's it for today. I hope that you found this video useful and interesting for you. And if you still have any questions, make sure to leave your comments. Also, remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys are interested in more grammar aspects, then check out our video battle between Olga and Ben, where they explain the difference between present simple and present continuous tenses. This is very interesting and exciting. And also, of course, come to our school, where we'll teach you everything that we know about the English language. It was Maria with you. See you around!